Here's another great RV from Nevada's #1 RV dealer, Johnnie Walker RV, family owned and operated since 1963.
Hi, I'm Genevieve, and this is the RV-Sandpiper. Let's go check it out.
This walkthrough video is designed to quickly show you the basic layout and features of this RV. Now, just like a brochure, this video is just a representation of the manufacturer's floor plan. For every RV made, just like a home, there are many variations of features, options, colors, fabrics, and other specifications, so it's important to contact one of our team members today for actual details about this floor plan. Take note of the clever ways the manufacturer has used every possible space for storage. Of course, we can't show you everything in this short video. You really have to come in and see for yourself to fully appreciate all this RV has to offer. We are a true 4-generation, family-owned and operated business. Let our family help your family make your RV dreams become a reality. For the best deal in Nevada, come to any one of our Johnnie Walker RV locations. We are continuously adding more inventory, so be sure to subscribe and follow our YouTube channel.
No planes, no ships, no overpriced trips. Roam free in your Johnnie Walker RV.